Smart home gadgets are not just a trend, they are a reality. But with so many smart home gadgets available in the market, how do you choose the best ones for your needs? That's why in today's video, we'll help you find the most useful smart home gadgets for your home. We have tested and reviewed 10 popular smart home devices from different categories, such as lighting, security, entertainment, climate control, and more. So here are the 10 useful smart home gadgets that we have put to the test. Presenting the X300 Smart Portable Speaker and Projector, a groundbreaking fusion of technology and aesthetics that redefines entertainment on the move. Combining a robust speaker and a high-definition projector within a single sleek and compact design, this extraordinary device allows you to enjoy a variety of activities. The X300 features a full HD projector that astounds with a breathtaking 100-inch visual display, immersing you in a cinematic experience no matter where you are. Be it movies, games, or streaming content, every detail springs to life with its impressive ultra-high contrast and 3D Blu-ray support. Moreover, with expert tuning by Harman Kardon, this device guarantees an unmatched audio experience, enveloping you in a mesmerizing acoustic haven boasting vibrant treble, well-balanced mids, and deep bass thanks to its dual sets of tweeters and woofers. Ensuring flexibility and convenience, the X300 comes equipped with a built-in battery that offers up to 6 hours of music playback and supports Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. This allows you to wirelessly cast and mirror content from your smart devices. Versatility takes center stage with the X300 as well. You can output audio to your Bluetooth headphones for private entertainment or share the audio with others for a shared experience. The sleek design incorporates user-friendly control knobs and a keypad for easy settings. Furthermore, its use of leather and metal materials give it a sleek and premium aesthetic. It also has features like speaker spikes and shoes for optimal audio performance, keystone correction, 4-corner adjustments for flexible setup, and a reflective mirror for customizable projection angles. Overall, the X300 Smart Portable Speaker and Projector stands as a versatile marvel that delivers an unparalleled audio-visual journey. Whether you want to illuminate the hallways or your entire home, the Lumery Smart Gimbal Recessed Light will help you to do so with its bright and smart LEDs. This 6-inch recessed light can rotate 355 degrees horizontally and 30 degrees vertically so that you can adjust the light to focus on your artwork, walls, sculptures, and other objects to suit your decorating needs. It supports warm white and cool white from 2700 to 6500 Kelvin and has a memory function that will keep the last selected setting in case of a power outage. You can also customize it by choosing from 8 scene modes, 16 million colors, and adjusting the brightness from 1 to 100%. After you've downloaded the Lumery app and logged into your account, you can add this smart recessed light through the app's auto scan feature, which will detect any nearby Lumery device. With the app, you will be able to create a group of Lumery smart recessed lighting in your home and control them in a unified way. To create a group, move to the Smart tab and choose either automation or tap to run according to your preferences. Tap on Add and select your device, then set a condition or customize your own lighting schedule. After that, select a function and repeat the process to add the second light and keep repeating if you want to add more. The lights are now grouped and you can control them together remotely, have them turned on and off at the desired time, and much more. On top of all that, it is also compatible with Alexa and Google Assistant, and with just a simple command, you can turn them on or off. Besides, when connected to the app, these smart gimbal recessed lights can change colors to the beat of music or game sounds. So if you want to illuminate your entire home with smart recessed lights and enjoy incredible smart life features, then you can't go wrong with the Lumery Smart Gimbal Recessed Light. Blow away all those messy dust in seconds by using the Reesibi AD50001B, an electric compressed air duster that you can use in your office to clean up your gadgets and other items. Equipped with a powerful 500-watt motor, this air duster provides high-pressure air to remove dust, debris, hairs, crumbs, and scraps from any electronic equipment. You can choose between 18,000 to 37,000 RPM speeds for cleaning hard-to-sensitive items. As a result, no matter if you're trying to clean devices such as computers, keyboards, or cameras, this air duster will get you covered. Moreover, it comes with 3 different nozzles and some accessories to adjust your cleaning needs, while the extra long 10-feet cord makes cleaning an office space a breeze. Besides, there's a multi-purpose inflatable nozzle which you can use to inflate air mattresses, sleeping bags, and many more. Made of high-quality ABS plastic, this air duster has got an ergonomic design for which you can hold it firmly on your hands while cleaning. All in all, the Reesibi AD50001B electric compressed air duster will be a nice addition to your office for cleaning up any small to big gadgets or devices. Keeping your home neat and clean takes a substantial amount of effort and should not be overlooked either. So why not have a device that does it for you? Introducing Roborock S7 Plus, a robot vacuum cleaner that analyzes and learns about the environment to present you with a clean home. Its sonic floor mopping technology scrubs up to 3,000 times per minute, while 2,500 PA of hyperforce suction effectively picks up dirt from floors, cracks, and carpets. This vacuum's multi-layer air filtration system captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. And a quick pull of the dust bag seals it shut, making it ready for instant disposal. The multi-directional floating brush has 4 planes of movement, allowing it to stick closer to the floor or on uneven surfaces. Moreover, the Precision Lead DAR navigation creates accurate maps of your home and tracks cleaning routes with its adaptive route algorithms to maximize efficiency. You will be able to manually adjust suction power, vibration strength, and clean sequencing, and much more to get the clean that you want. You can also control this vacuum with Google Home, Alexa, or Siri, whichever you prefer. There's also an auto empty dock through which the robot can empty itself automatically after cleaning your home. Besides, the dock has a 3-liter dust bag, which will help the robot to continue cleaning for up to 120 days straight. The superb 5200 mAh battery can keep the cleaning going up to 180 minutes on a full charge, which is enough to mop 2,150 square feet of floor space in one run. To conclude, the Roborock S7 Plus is an excellent robot vacuum cleaner for its high suction power and versatility that will make your home cleaning effortless for sure. Stimulate your foot muscles and reduce numbness and pain by using the AIC Tech, an intelligent foot massager machine that improves blood circulation and sleep quality to make you lead a healthier lifestyle. Suitable for foot sizes for up to US 12, this machine offers Shiatsu kneading massage, rolling, scraping, and infrared heat functions to simulate a comfortable manual foot massage. It comes with a pair of foot pouches that are breathable and detachable in order to clean and wash them. You will find some buttons on the top such as vibrating, mode switch, power, air intensity, and heat button. And through these, you can adjust it with 3 ergonomic massage modes and 3 air intensity levels to improve your foot and calf blood flow circulation. The unique tapping function has 4 intensity levels that cover the foot, ankles, and calves with shaking and tapping motions to increase blood circulation in the calves and relieve fatigue. There's also a heat function that provides warmth to alleviate foot pain and reduce fatigue muscle tension effectively. Moreover, it features a 15-minute automatic timing so that it's gonna stop the device from overdoing it. In short, this intelligent foot massager machine will be a solid buy for your home or office since it will give you the relaxation that you would need after a hectic day. Sleep like a baby by using the Ryobi Jian Shiatsu machine pillow, which adopts a patented ergonomic support structure to make physical traction for the human body. The materials of this pillow consist of medical-grade PC, 304 food-grade stainless steel springs, and food-grade low-density polyethylene. In this polyethylene, in other words, the memory foam is 100% environmentally friendly. The inner pillowcase is 100% cotton, while the outer pillowcase contains a combination of polyester and viscose fibers. Designed to be breathable, comfortable, and long-lasting, it perfectly accommodates the physiological curvature of the human cervical spine. With 352 massage points for finger massage simulating, this pillow makes physical traction to help you relax your head and neck muscles while relieving fatigue and soreness. Moreover, it's also effective in relieving cervical spondylosis, neuralgia, and scapulohumeral periarthritis, and eliminating dowager's hump. Weighing only 1.8 kilograms, this pillow is 520 millimeters long, 310 millimeters wide, and 75 millimeters thick, which is a pretty decent size for any type of person. So if you want to improve your sleep quality and relieve fatigue or soreness, then you must check out the Ryobi Jian Shiatsu massage pillow, as it will surely help you out. Protect your health and get an update on your air quality by using the Kaiweets EH8, a smart air quality monitor that detects CO2 levels and gives accurate information to maintain a healthy lifestyle. This small device has got an exquisite appearance with a compact shape which you can keep on the side of your desk pretty easily. This device checks the CO2 concentration, indoor temperature, and humidity in real time, which you can view on its pretty-looking display up front. Equipped with a high-precision, non-dispersive infrared technology sensor, it can accurately measure from 0 to 5,000 ppm of CO2 to give you exact insight. And suppose the carbon dioxide concentration in the room exceeds a certain limit. In that case, the emoji changes from smiling to sad, reminding you to open the window for ventilation or turn on the air purifier. Moreover, to get all the info in your hand, download the Tuya Smart app, where you can view real-time data and even change settings like temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And that can be shared with up to 5 of your family members as well. By the way, in case you were wondering, there's a little icon in the upper corner, and by tapping it, you can rename your device to Kaiweets EH8 CO2 detector. Simple as that. All things considered, if you want to stay alert in your room and track the air quality, then do check out the Kaiweets EH8 without any second thought. Make your home safe, smart, and convenient by using the GIANFINO, a smart key lock that offers multiple ways of access, app control, and easy installation to protect privacy and keep your family safe. This smart door lock adopts an intuitive OLED display and zinc alloy body, which has an IP65 weatherproof level rating to make it suitable for outdoor usage. You can lock and unlock your smart door in 4 different ways via your mobile app through Bluetooth by generating a password using the physical key or by the included 2 IC cards. This door lock prevents you from being spied on while entering a password because it allows you to enter random digits before or after the correct passcode. And if there are 5 unsuccessful attempts taken, the unit will shut down for 5 minutes for your safety. Besides, you can also share e-key or passcode with your friends or guests when they are visiting your home or office. However, you can also view a log of who has entered and at what time in real time so that you can remain safe and alert. Packed with 4 AA batteries, you will get 8,000 times unlocking, which is about 12 months. And when the battery gets low, it will beep to remind you. And you can also check the levels on the mobile app as well. Thinking about installation? Don't sweat it. You just need a screwdriver and install it easily without even drilling or booking an expensive locksmith. Overall, with outstanding engineering and build quality, the GIANFINO is an excellent smart key lock, which will make your life convenient and safe. Wave goodbye to paper and wipes and say hello to NoDirt, an adjustable bidet that endeavors to deliver a more hygienic and pleasant bathroom experience for your bum. Weighing at only 225 grams, this bidet is super compact and easy to carry to move around. However, despite being compact, it's got some sufficient spraying capacity to give you a pleasant experience. Additionally, you can switch easily from cleaning mode, which is the standard pressure setting, to pulse massage mode, which is the high pressure setting, with just a simple click. The 180 degrees adjustable nozzle makes this product outshine others since it gives convenience and adjustability. All in all, if you're traveling and don't want to use paper or wipes, the NoDirt adjustable bidet is the one to go for. Wash your hands without touching anything by using this automatic soap dispenser that quickly releases soap by just sensing your hands. Adopting the latest infrared motion sensing technology and equipped with a powerful pump, it discharges liquid in just 0.2 seconds without dripping. There's a 45-degree inclination angle of liquid to prevent fluid from getting into the machine while having a non-slip base rubber sealing ring to block water from entering the interior. Made of ABS and PC environmentally friendly plastic, this 350ml soap dispenser is an ideal choice for your toilet or kitchen without any doubt. So, this concludes our list of the 10 useful smart home gadgets that we put to the test. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and share it with your friends if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.